The highly anticipated iQOO 12 series continues to make waves in the tech world, with the latest sighting of the global variant on Geekbench. This benchmark listing confirms the presence of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, the industry's latest and most powerful chipset. The device, carrying the model number i2220, is also revealed to be running on Android 14 with FunTouchOS 14, the latest iteration of iQOO's custom skin. The Geekbench results paint a picture of a performance beast, with the iQOO 12 scoring 2,188 points in the single-core test and 6,383 points in the multi-core test. These impressive scores indicate that the iQOO 12 is capable of handling even the most demanding tasks with ease. While the global availability of the iQOO 12 Pro remains uncertain, the base model is set to launch in India on December 12. This launch brings excitement to smartphone enthusiasts worldwide, eager to experience the iQOO 12's impressive display, rumored to be a tall 6.78-inch OLED panel with full HD+ resolution and a smooth 144Hz refresh rate. On the imaging front, the iQOO 12 is expected to boast a versatile triple-lens rear camera setup, featuring a 50-megapixel OmniVision OV50H primary sensor, a 50-megapixel Samsung JN1 ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 64-megapixel OV64B telephoto shooter. For selfies and video calls, a 16-megapixel front-facing camera is rumored to be on board. With its powerful chipset, captivating display, and versatile camera system, the iQOO 12 is poised to make a significant impact in the smartphone market. The global launch, whenever it may be, will undoubtedly be met with great anticipation and excitement.